So this is Parker's first flight with his drone. We did read some instructions, we did watch a couple videos. We still don't feel completely confident. But how do you feel, Parker?
I feel it's gonna work for a short while.
For a while?
For a while.
For a while? Show us the drone.
Right here.
It's the Hubsan 501S or whatever the code for it is. Yeah, and then you got to plug it in, and it's probably going to go through its pre-checks. You remember how to spin it?
Try to plug it in.
Okay, so open up. We should see. Open up. You got to look at the screen.
Alright.
Because it should want you to do some things. What's it say? Calibrate compass, rotate aircraft. Okay, so rotate it. Just keep rotating clockwise. Yeah. Keep rotating it till those lights keep it flat. The other one.
Vertical.
Vertical. Okay.
So
I'm gonna put this down.
Oops.
Yeah. Keep spinning that until the lights aren't green. They go a different color. I can't remember what color. There it goes. Parker's forgot. He's
Everything.
forgot everything. He's actually forgot how to start it. Both of them. Down.
Okay.
Down and in, or down and out.
Okay.
I should start them. In. There you go. There you go. Go cut some grass. You got GPS mode on? You're just starting. Yeah. Okay, let it hover. See if it hovers.
Oh look.
Okay, let's try something. Let's go away from us a little bit.
Alright.
Go like just somewhere. And then
Wait.
like go forward, and then let it hover for a bit. Okay, stop it there. Right. Okay. Now just for giggles, go ahead and hit the home button and see if watch it come back.
Oh, it's going up high.
Wait a second. Leave it. Just leave it.
I am. I'm just looking at the screen.
Wait. Leave it.
Oh,
leave
look, it's coming straight. Hello.
But it's landing.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow. Bounce. Pretty good. Alright. Go up a little bit or something. He's flying it. It's way over there by the playground. Don't hit the playground.
I won't.
I don't know if we can see what you're watching
Oh,
or not.
whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah. What you're looking at here.
Look. No.
Okay. See if you can bring it back. Come
Okay.
on back. So this is the first flight. He's doing pretty good, I think. It takes a little bit to get used to the turning it and coming back. I don't know if you can see it. Where is it? Okay, here it comes. Bring it down without hitting us. It's not that. It's pretty quiet, isn't it? We won't be able to look at what we're filming here, though.
No.
Okay.
Hello. Oh look, there's a little tag on the lens.
Oh, we did. Well, that would have made the video. Yeah, we'll take that off.
Yeah, we'll take that off.
All right. Okay. Opinion of the droid on first flight.
It's pretty cool. Okay.
Droid. I said droid.
Droid. Oh, I didn't realize. I was too focused on it.
The droid. This is not the droid you're looking for. All right. So, do you like watching the drone, or do you like watching the first-person view on that thing?
First person's way better.
Is it? Yeah, it's easier to see. I think it's easier to fly with that thing because you can kind of. It makes more sense for your hands, doesn't it?
Oh, so this is what the top of the school looks like.
Oh, you look at the top of the school?
Oh yeah.
Where is that thing? I don't think I can see it from here. There it is. Way up there.
This is what the top of the school looks like.
Well, we're not recording anything on the drone, so you know.
Yeah.
I know. But I'm saying do a flyby.